Hello, my name is John Edison Vergara Valencia. I belong to the CDA Medellin. Continuation, biography de Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born in 1985. He is widely regarded as one of the best players in the world. Legendary Dutch genius Johan Cruyff said he one of the best ever. Ronaldo became soccer superstar playing for English team Manchester United, Spain's Real Madrid, and for Portugal. While he was playing midfield, he was regularly scoring spectacular goals. Ronaldo started kicking the ball around when he was three. It was always then by George Soros. Two of Portugal staff wanted to sign him. He joined Sporting Lisbon and became the only player in the history to play for the under-16, under-17, under-18, 15 and first team within one season. Skills were creating European teams Manchester United, Juventus, Real Madrid, and now Al Nassr de Arabia Saudita. Thank you.